I seen him.
Where y'all going?
Thought you gonna land on that boat there for me.
Somebody gotta leave. Stow away.
Thank you. Let's sit close to the front. Up to the front, baby. Up to the front. Have a seat.
Devices are located underneath all of your seats. If you are 90 pounds or less, these children TFDs are located in the forward compartments on the main deck. If, in the rare event, our captain calls for an abandoned ship, please do not jump overboard, remain calm, stay in your seat, grab your PFD, and await further crew instruction. If you do see someone go overboard today, keep your eyes on them at all times, point, shout, scream, get a crew member's attention. Will come over and relieve you of your duty. This is a non-smoking vessel. If you do see any smoke, sparks, or flames, please report it to a crew member immediately. We are equipped with 8 fire extinguishers on board. We have 4 on this main deck. We have 1 up top, and we got 3 down below. We also have 2 firefighting stations in the stern, 1 up top, and 1 on this main deck. We have 3 emergency exits on board. We have 1 on either side of the bow, and we have 1 in the starboard stern. We have restrooms located back behind the galley. If you guys are using these, please only flush bodily waste and toilet
Haines, Alaska. Very good hamburger here in Haines. Here's my chauffeur.
I am your
Okay, we're on Mosquito Lake Road heading to the Kershaw Wildlife Center
Crucial.
with my navigator. Kershaw, I've been corrected. Everything's going good so far. We're on Alaska Highway 7. With any luck, we'll find this place. It's supposed to be some big signs to show us the way to go. Big snow-capped mountains. But that guy on the boat said all of this would melt
In a month.
in a month, so the snow doesn't stay year-round on these mountains.
Now at the end of July, it starts in again.
Well, that lady said the leaves start to turn in July, didn't she?
It started to get fall. Eventually we'll get on.
It's been an amazing adventure this whole trip. Maybe this guy's going to turn here in a minute or something. From town. They'd be prepared to stop if it's to come up on them. Still got the flagman sign out there, gummit. There's the flagman.